want to give you a tip on how to set this up to deliver water from your hydro tank to your TC-125 G2. So what we've got is ordered a 25 foot section of tube. Actually got on Amazon for $19.95. It's a 3/8 outside diameter by 1/4 inch inside diameter tube. Came in a 25 foot section. I cut it in half, and I want to show you how to retrofit that onto your hydro tank, so you have plenty of working room, plenty of length on your water delivery system. It makes it so much easier to work with the G2 saw. All you're going to do is take the short tube off of the hydro tank that comes with it. You're going to pop off the suction tube, pop off the connectors. Same thing on the other side, the little female coupling. You're going to untwist it, and there's a little nipple here that it just pops right off of. You're going to hang on to that. Also going to slide the coupling off. You're going to be left with this little short section of tube that comes with the hydro tank. You'll just take your 25 or 12 foot, in this case, section of tube, and we're going to reattach it to the hydro tank. Just like that. Now we've got a nice long section of tube from our hydro tank. And then all we have to do is refit the little female quick connect coupling that comes with the hydro tank. Snaps right onto the Rubi saw. Put your new tube back over the nipple. Everything slides down and threads right back on. We've got room to work with our new hose, and it will connect quick snap right onto the TC-125. Now we have room to move, and we can set our hydro tank up in proximity to our TC-125 saw and go to town. Thanks for watching.